BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released the full spoilers for the August 2024 box. It is $24.95 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Join the club to sample the latest and greatest products in skincare, hair care, and makeup, handpicked by a team of beauty pros. Each month, they'll be offering a different BeautyFIX box featuring full and travel size products worth at least $100. This month's box is the anniversary kit. It will include Barber High Oil Cleanser full size for smooth and cleansed skin without sensations of tightness or oil residues. This gentle formula with vitamin E and bisabolol promotes an interact skin barrier and well-balanced microbiome. Pie Skincare The Impossible Glow Bronzing Drops full size. Infused naturally derived pigment. The buildable formula delivers customizable glow and is packed with hyaluronic and sea kelp for hydration and lemon fruit water to illuminate. Clarity RX Take It Easy Calming Serum full size. An all-natural formula used to reduce the appearance of redness and inflammation, helps to significantly calm the skin while also improving texture, enhancing hydration, and softening the skin. BioEffect EGF Eye Serum Deluxe 3 milliliters. A revitalizing age-defying formula specifically developed to target the delicate eye area, rebalances moisture levels, leaving the skin around the eyes looking radiant and firm, while providing long-term anti-aging effects. BioEffect Imprinting Eye Mask 2-pack delivers deep hydration to the under eyes to help reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. SkinCeuticals Phyto A Plus Brightening Treatment Deluxe 4 milliliter, an oil-free lightweight moisturizer with a gel cream texture, targets dullness, redness, and excess oil production even on sensitive skin. Moroccan Shower Gel Fragrance Original Deluxe 30 milliliter, a highly concentrated yet gentle body wash that helps hydrate skin as it cleanses. It is infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil to help restore the skin's optimal moisture balance and improve elasticity, texture, and tone. Lancer The Method Polish Deluxe 0.50 ounces helps keep your complexion free of blemishes while imparting soothing moisture infused with antioxidants and magnesium crystals. The face scrubs help slough away dead skin cells to boost the skin texture and diminish signs of aging. Paragon MD High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer Deluxe 0.25 ounces. The Indulgent Rose Scented Moisturizer combines Paragon MD's signature science with a nourishing, rich, and ultra-hydrating texture. Delivers instant hydration while visibly smoothing, plumping, and firming skin's appearance over time, leaving a radiant complexion. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.